FIRs have been registered in Amritsar district in an immigration fraud case. A travel agent, Tarsaim Singh, has been arrested for allegedly duping victims with the false promises of taking them to the United States. Remember, yesterday in the parliament as well, as Jaishankar had clarified that the officials will be speaking to these deportees, taking them information about the agencies that are working on duping people. My colleague Pavit is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Pavit, in line with what the External Affairs Minister said, action being initiated and these agencies also being identified. What are the details of this travel agent who has been arrested for duping the victims?
Yes, right, as rightly said by you, that the action has already started against these agents who have been duping the people on the pretext of sending them to the other countries, including USA and many other. But if we particularly talk about the deportation case that has recently taken place in Amritsar, around 104 illegal immigrants who were Indian nationals who were deported from USA. Now the agencies have started, now the police has started constituting teams, and they have even told the migrants who have recently come back from deported from US that they should step forward and they should report these people. So the biggest breaking of the hour that is coming from Amritsar, that a case has been registered against an immigration agent, Tarsaim Singh, of duping the persons of amount around. Damanpreet Singh has claimed that this immigration agent named as Tarsaim Singh has duped him around 42 lakhs of amount on the pretext of sending him to US via donkey route. So this is the first FIR that I'm stating. Another FIR also has been against Tarsaim Singh, and now he has been arrested by the police. And with all these things, we are expecting that in coming hours or in coming days, we will be seeing other FIRs that will be registered, and a strict action which already the government has started taking place. So we are expecting that more stringent actions will be taken against these agents who have been duping the people on the pretext of sending them to foreign countries and who have been eventually landing into legal trouble.
Yes, so big crackdown expected. One of the victims alleging that he had given 42 lakh rupees. In fact, some of those who have been deported back to the country have also spoken of the huge amount of money that they pay to the agencies. Some even paying as much as 70 lakh rupees to the agencies only to go to these countries through an illegal route. With that, we're slipping into a very quick break here, but don't go anywhere. We'll be right back with lots more on the other.